welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Iyana, and go ahead and press that subscribe button because we be having fun over here. We creative over here. We different over here. So you need to just join the team, okay? Subscribe and the notification bell next to it as well so you don't miss any videos when I upload them. I've been wanting to do this video for a while now. So I'm going to insert the picture of the look Rihanna had on, like her makeup look like a couple months ago, way back. It was so different and creative. Whoever did her makeup that day was just like, you smart.
Betty, you smart. You very smart. Matter of fact, you a genius.
I'm gonna be trying to recreate that look for you guys today and see how it goes, because I'm just like, I'm so excited to do this look, y'all. Like, you already know. Okay, so luckily for this look, she didn't have her eyebrows done, so A+, brows don't have to be done. In the photo, she has, I think that's red false lashes, but I don't have that. But I do have some red mascara that I'm going to use. This mascara is by Colourpop, and it is in the color Left on Red. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let me zoom you guys in so we can get close up. Alright guys, so I got my mascara on, ready to go. So the next thing I'm going to do is put the red eyeshadow on. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my Colourpop QAF palette and use this red in here. And I'm just using the baby wipe just to clean up around the edges. If you have makeup remover and stuff, you can dip your brush into some makeup remover, but I don't have that, so baby wipes work just fine. So I think it was something like this shape. I didn't see a picture of her with her eyes closed with her makeup, so I'm just going off of what I see. Okay, I think that's close enough for the red. So the next color I'm going to go in with is the pink. So it's like right here, the pink, and then it's a little bit above the brow bone. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Oh yeah, let me put mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm so used to not putting mascara on my bottom lashes that I always forget to do it. Bottom lashes complete. Let's go ahead and go in with the pink. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Whew. I think I need to blend like the pink more, but let me double check. So I'm gonna leave it like this. If I need to go back and fix it, go back and fix it. So the next color I'm gonna go in with is a blue. The blue I'm gonna use is not gonna be the exact blue that she's wearing in the photo. I have something that's like close to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with LOL I'm Crying in the wet palette, this blue right here. Even though it's a shimmer, that's the closest blue I have right now. Okay, so I think this is good for right now. That blue doesn't look too bad though, even though it's not the exact color blue and they didn't use shimmer, but it doesn't look that bad. Next shade I'm gonna use, it looks like a more of a purplish pink, but I'll probably just go back in with the pink I used at the beginning. So I'm going to go back and use the pink just to put on the brow bone. So something like this so far. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the green and yellow cream gel eyeliners. These are from Colourpop as well. The name of this yellow is Punch. So that's the yellow underneath the eye. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the green. And I'm gonna just go, it's like right above or right in the eyebrow. Even though the colors aren't like spot on, I feel like it's pretty close enough actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and touch up the rest of this look. Oh wait, I'm not even done yet. I gotta put the lip color on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the lip color they did. I'm gonna finesse it because I really don't have that color lipstick. I'm gonna put brown lipstick on, and then I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow. It's in the color Here We Go Again, and I'm just gonna like dab it on my finger and put it on there. Okay guys, I think this might be the final look. I actually like how everything came together. Even though they're not the exact colors or anything like that, I still like it. It still gives you that feel of how I felt when I was looking at the picture. And that lip combo was the best finesse in the world, y'all, because I did not have that lip color. All I did was just put the brown lipstick on and the eyeshadow on top of it, and it looked almost spot on almost. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course this is going into my editorial series look, but I really wanted to recreate this look because I really liked it when I saw it on Rihanna. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this look down below, and let me know if I was close enough to it, okay? I love you guys. Don't forget you're beautiful, you strong, you the best music, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.